On January 27th, the backhoe broke down, and Rob called around and found out that because it wouldn't go forward or backward, it was probably the torque converter or whatever you call that thing. We just spent $520 for a replacement for the furnace because it didn't stay fixed. And so Rob warned me it might be between $3,000 and $8,000 for the part for the backhoe and the repair work if he couldn't figure out how to repair it himself. On February 3rd, Rob pulled the torque converter out of the backhoe, and so it sits in the shop and it keeps snowing. We do have a snowblower, so Rob used it to clean the paths, and he actually went all the way out to the main road, which is almost over a half a mile. And then he decided he better get Fergi out and fix him up and see if he could keep the snow at bay until he's able to hopefully fix the backhoe. Rob's been working on the backhoe for 2 days, and we continue to have a soggy, wet snow, so he uses Fergi to open up the trail out to the main road. He still can't figure out what's wrong with the backhoe, so he finally calls a different mechanic, and he gives him an idea to try to see if it'll work for him. The next thing I know, Rob comes out of the shop with the backhoe and this great big smile on his face, and the two of them are plowing snow like mad. Later that evening, he confesses that he was really worried that he wasn't going to be able to fix it, as though I couldn't tell. Sleepless nights, getting up in the middle of the night to go to the shop to work on the backhoe, twisting and tossing, and yeah, right, like I couldn't tell. So grateful I have a mechanic husband. He just saved us about $5,000. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Blessings to all.